Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see about food truck, how to start this business, what are the advantages and all we are going to see. Normally we have seen hotels, that is small hotels, big hotels, everything you can see. People normally what used to tell, first thing taste they used to see, then price they used to see. These are matching, they will go to any hotels. This is the fundamentals. So normally now people want due to time lag on the main road on some main places, if something is there, people first will attempt to eat. If it is good, people will continue to go there if they go in that side. So same thing, this food truck is getting very good name, because in foreign this is the procedure in food trucks, mobile van, they are selling foods, hotel foods, juice, ice cream and all. Now in India, in every places it is started. So now we will deeply see what food truck, what are the requirements, equipments, what they are fitting of the EB supply, what are the license required, what are the advantages, if bank loan is available or not, and cost of the vehicle, how much, we will see in details. So this business is mainly focused on business can be done on wheels. On wheels, we can do any business, whether this is hotel business, juice, ice cream, or office, or any canteen, or any stationery shop, any saloon shop, or anything you can do. We can change our car into your office, or any worthwhile items. So we can customize ourselves. So here we are going to customize the car, whether we are going to do in bike or auto car 407, mini car, Tata Ace or Mahindra, or any van, anything, travelers, tempo traveler, anything. So this will be customized according to our needs. So suppose I am having bike, okay, in bike they will make a cart. That cart it will be arranging for bread, sandwiches, and snacks and also. So there are very, you would have seen in many two wheelers, they are selling grilled chicken or fried chicken or fishes and all. You might be seen in main city places. Same thing in bike, in auto or car. In auto they will make both side, there are three like wing, they will open the wing, and then they will make all the items, and they will change auto into a hotel. So for stools and chairs and all, they will put outside. You have to sit there and you have to eat. That's the thing. So everything will be made within the auto. You have to eat and you have to give. The rate also very will be less compared to others, but food quality also will be good compared to. So like that business you got to start. Then only you will get more and more profit. So whether you are going to start in bike or auto or car. So if you are going to start, you have to decide which dishes you are going to sell in that particular area, which dishes can go more, like South Indian dishes like idli, dosa, chapati, protava. Then North Indian dishes like chapati, prota, pulcha, what are the items it's going. And European dishes, burger, sandwiches, and then on the bread, pizzas, what type of is going, according to that you can go. Then what are the equipments? Now I have selected South Indian dishes or North Indian dishes or European dishes. According to that, equipments will be fitted. Equipments like gas cylinder, it will be kept backside. There will be any contact within that and people. It will be fully closed. And tawa, there will be a tawas, and a table, and that will be big plates for dosa and all. There is then fryer, dryer, fridge, chiller, water tank will be there, 100 liter, 200 liter, they will make it. Waste water collections also they will make it. Everything will be customized way. So if you see in Coimbatore, if you see in Chennai, Karur, these are the areas they are making this food truck mobile vans. So they are making many. So you can contact in Google also, it is available. So you have to choose first what they are doing. In second hand auto, second hand mini lorry, they are modifying it according to that this food trucks. So the total cost of the vehicle is coming like 1 lakh to 10 lakhs. In that, if you choose according to your budget, they can make fit all gas cylinder, tawas, this and that. Next, power supply. So for inside power supply, lightings, outside lighting needed. So solar power operator also available, and genset also available. UPS battery operator also available. So according to that, the rate will be varying. Manpower, If you see manpower, maximum 3 to 4, that's all. Because you are the driver, you are the owner, you will make everything. One master will be there, one servant will be there. Cost of the vehicle, if you see, 1 lakh to 10 lakhs only. So according to this equipments, this rate will be increasing, like fridge, chiller. If you are going, sorry. If you see the advantages, there are a lot of advantages are there. Easy shifting, you can shift your places, because this area is not giving more profit, then you can shift it. No advances or no rental, less investment only. Then smart business and easy and quick attraction, events and parties, functions, and that you can put your vehicle there. Main Bangalore, whether bank will give loan or not. Normally, if you go for second hand, this mainly second hand vehicle they are making. If you are making, bank will ask sorry, 50% of the loan will be, they will be giving. Another thing, they will tell mechanical engineer certificate whether that equipment is in good condition or not. But you can go, you can tell them, sir, 50% is EQ. Another for this equipments, everything there is quotation I am giving. It is nearly 185 lakhs or 6 lakhs. You give finance. According to that, if you speak with bank manager, you will be knowing everything correctly, and he will appreciate you. These are the advantages. Licenses, FSSAI. Foods, these in FSSAI, food grade materials are being used, and that according to that, this license will be given. Fire and safety license also they are giving, and RTO. These are the 3 main license they are giving. This is, you can keep your park your vehicle at any places, and you can start your own business. So mainly male and female in auto, many females are having made very good talent in cooking, because if they show their talent, surely this food canteen, it will be very good, because the 30 rupees or 20 rupees for this dosa mavu or idli mavu will be available. In that 4 dosas or 5 dosas are coming. So like the one dosa, if you sell, it is like 40 rupees or 50 rupees. So if you make your own material, and if you supply in this mobile vans, according to US, whether you are doing idli, dosa, parota, South Indian, North Indian, anything, so you can get. Then veg, non-veg, and Chinese foods are there, which are in which you are best. So you can do according to that. Family run businesses will be very good. Husband and wife, sons, daughters, within the family, if you start this business, it will fetch a lot. You can do hotel, juice, ice creams, anything according to your wishes. Always discuss with your family whether this business you want to do or not. According to that, you start this. Anything you put in the comment box, subscribe my channel, and in new startup business are there. There are many startup businesses. We must not be idle. This is my aim. So always we must do some business. Sunday, Saturday, or anything, we must not be idle. We have to do something. Please do it, and you can be successful. Before that, you discuss with your family, because they will give you a full support. If you are lost, if you are in depression or over pressurized, they have to help you. So always discuss with your friends, families, and you start the business. This business, from my idea, it can give you more profit. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe. Thanks.